Hello.
Hi there, how are you?
Doing good. How about you?
Oh, good. Oh, did you go to what is that? KubeCon?
Yeah, I did go to KubeCon. Yeah.
Oh, did you meet Gus, ACM team? The-
Um,
No.
Not really. Yeah, it was kind of way too running around. So I didn't get
Uh,
time to like grab people.
okay.
But I did ended up going to a Red Hat AWS after party, and I met some OpenShift folks there.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah.
How was it, KubeCon?
Uh, it was fun. It was tiring. A lot of chatter and meeting people, talking a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, overall fun.
Mm-hmm. Great, great.
Given a chance, I'd do it again.
No, actually, I opened one issues. It was this one. I haven't got any response from anyone. So actually, it's already merged Berg. But I just wonder, this is only merged in the 3.20,
Okay.
but our operator supported 3.20, 3.19, and 3.18. So is this bug is fixed? Are you going to, sorry, do you have any plan to backport this issue to 3.19?
So,
Uh,
like, we are
mm.
probably we are going to cut a release of 321 um, right about now, like preferably today or before end of the week. So that will put 319 out of the support window. But if you really want
Uh,
it in 319, um, we can probably work on that.
it's not really, really much. Yeah, because if you don't have any plan, but our side, we can backport it. Or actually, for now, no one in the customer side, and no one reported these issues because our QE just find out these issues. So
Oh,
I think
yeah.
yeah, if the customer asks us these issues, then we are going to backport this issues to our own branch because we forked the branch. So yeah.
Okay. I
Okay.
mean, I'd recommend just moving to 320 or 321 because it
Uh-huh.
has other CV fixes and in general security maintenance that you want.
Uh-huh.
Is there any reason why you guys are still using 318 3? But I mean 319 considerably it's still relatively new, but like 318 came 9 months ago. So
Yeah, yeah. I know our so we support like a N-2. So right now is a three we support 3.20, 3.19, 2018. So if it is next to release at 3.21, then we are going to move to the 3.21, 3.20, and 3.819.
oh, okay.
Uh,
I thought N-2 means
mm.
current and previous release, like
Yes, yes, yes.
right? So a
Yeah.
current release is 320, so you would
Yeah.
support 320 and 319,
Yeah,
not 3.
yeah. That's why.
Uh, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Uh, yeah, cool. That makes sense. And I mean, uh, if you if you want, we probably should be able to do it in upstream as well. But
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. No worry. If a customer want it, yeah, yeah, I'll ask you one more time. I'll close this issue. Is that okay?
yeah, 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 sure, go ahead.
Thanks.
Yeah, sorry, I was kind of involved in KubeCon, so I didn't
Oh, yeah.
get a chance to like look at all the things.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and then ever since I came back, I'm just catching up.
No, no worry. It's okay. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, of course. Hi, Sartaj.
Hi.
Hello. How was KubeCon?
KubeCon was fine. Talked to few gatekeeper users, got some interesting feedback. Uh, as well, which I shared on the Slack channel. Uh, but I don't know if you had a chance to look at it, but the highlight of it is first, uh, pe- pe- like new users find it very difficult to find out about Gatekeeper. Like I met with some folks there and they knew about other projects like Kyberno, but they were not aware about the alternative, which is Gatekeeper as well. I talked to a couple of them. Hopefully I convinced them to like look at it and give it a try. uh, so that was like one of the feedback that I got in general is probably we should do a better job at marketing, or I don't know, raise awareness. And another one which I got was it's difficult to maintain constraint templates because like there is a lot of things going on. Like there is a open API schema, there is Rego, and in general the constraint template is too long. And then if you're writing Rego there, like it's hard to maintain and test that code with like unit testing and stuff like that. So one of the person I talked to, I let them know that in Gatekeeper library, like we have this whole compiler mechanism where Rego file is separated with the unit tests and everything, so you can test them, and then it gets injected to constraint template at whenever you compile the website. uh, and it kind of helped a little bit, but that tells me that we probably, if we can add something into getter saying getter compile, which can help do exact same thing and compile constraint templates from independent Rego and make it more readable, that might be useful as well. And those two were the like topmost things that I got from KubeCon. Everybody else was kind of pretty happy about Gatekeeper, whoever I talked to and were using them, and people who didn't know about it, I kind of directed them to check it out. Yeah.
Did we open any issues, or did anybody open any issues for the feedback?
No, they did not. I mean,
Do you want to open some before you forget? I know you
yeah,
also.
yeah. I just wanted to discuss this
Yeah.
before, and
Yeah.
before opening the issue, I'm gonna open that. And one more. Uh, yeah, one more thing was that I met with this guy who was using Gatekeeper on a 100,000 node cluster, and they were facing like performance issues and things like that. So we'll, we are meeting with him on December 5 to like sort things out and how like help them however we can. Uh,
100,000 is is one cluster?
yeah, they're using
Oh, there's a lot of nodes.
yeah, yeah.
And were you at the booth, or did you get these questions at the booth, or did you get them in the like after the talk?
Uh, uh, like so few of them dropped by on the booth. One or two people who dropped by at the booth, I was not there at the time, so the
Yeah.
OPA folks asked them to like drop by in the talk as well, and then so it was mix of both
Oh, I
actually.
see.
And one person I met was and who one person I met in after party. Uh, After the KubeCon is over. So,
Okay.
and that's where I got the feedback that they were not aware of Gatekeeper. Um, uh,
Yeah, I think
it was
we
one
did.
of those feedback, yeah. But I mean, I don't know what can we do about that. Like
Yeah,
raise
I think
awareness.
just more like, I don't know, community outreach, like kind of like socials, that sort of stuff, like webinars, that sort of stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, so let me open. I noted everything down. I'm sure I'm not forgetting anything else.
Yeah, all good. I just wanted to make sure that when it's fresh on your mind.
Yeah. Yeah, and like I also discussed, so Philip was there from OPA team, and basically they open sourced eOPA, right? So I was trying to figure, like I was talking to him, trying to figure out how eOPA, in what sense eOPA is better and does better job of things compared to general Rego and OPA. And one thing I got to know was that when it's like querying data or processing a lot of things, EOPA does it better. Um, so we probably might want to evaluate the performance gain when we are using data replication policies in Gatekeeper and trying to see if we can, if we want to use EOPA instead of OPA.
Is E OPA? I think it's a superset of OPA, right?
Uh, from the impression I got, it's not superset as such. Like it contains all of the functionality that OPA does,
Right.
but it does a little bit internally. It does things differently a little bit for optimizations.
Hmm. I'm just curious if we should replace our existing OPA with eOPA, or should eOPA be a new engine?
Yeah, yeah. So that's what part of the investigation should
Yeah,
be.
yeah. Okay, I think we can do like a POC, just change um OPA to eOPA, I guess. I don't know, is it that easy, or is there
Yeah,
more?
yeah. Even I don't know.
Yeah.
Uh, Yeah, and so like some of the performance gains were in the compile time and evaluation time. Like there are two different types of optimization, and in Gatekeeper, we uh, we already like pre-compile everything and keep it in cache in a Rego instance. So uh, we should definitely be able to gain some performance improvements there. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's try that if it's not too much. Just changing
Yeah.
OPA to eOPA and whatnot. Yeah.
Uh, yeah, and the last one was like this is the same person who came to me saying that constraint templates are too long, nobody wants to redact them, uh, uh, and stuff like that. He basically said that Gatekeeper's learning curve is too much. Like Kyverno does it really easy because they use YAML. Uh, so maybe we can add a section in the in our docs dividing constraint templates in three part, explaining everything, uh, and I don't know what else we can do though, but that's one of the other feedback. But I
Yeah.
looked at the survey responses we got, and from that we didn't get any like I didn't get any uh, impression that like deploying and using Gatekeeper is that difficult, to be honest. So
Yeah, I mean, it should be very easy. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
this might be just one of odd instance where they just didn't want to work.
Yeah.
And so other part of general feedback was that people who already know a language, they don't want to shift to another one. So
Oh,
many
yeah,
of
I
the
mean, that's definitely a huge point. The Rago thing, I think that's been there for like a really long time.
yeah,
But I
so
think
many
with
of
the
the
VAP and Cell, I think it's going to be similar for all of them. I think it's pros and cons, right? Like
yeah
it's a programming language, so you get more like it's more capable, but obviously it's harder to like know because there's another thing that you need to learn about. Yeah.
yeah, but I don't know, this is my opinion, but I think so far cell templates are harder to maintain because of the worse readability, no unit testing framework.
Yep.
um, and if given a choice, if I need to read about a Rego constraint template written by somebody else versus a cell constraint template written by
Yeah.
somebody else, I would definitely choose Rego.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, let's think about like how we can make it easier, I guess, because yeah, I definitely plus one on reading cell is, I don't know, at least the way we edit maybe it's really hard to to read. We should definitely optimize that. I mean, that's why we provide the policy library too, so people can get familiar easier. There are more examples. But yeah, I think I don't know if the cell thing is a general thing or just our like the syntax is harder to read. Um,
I don't know. I mean, logically, there are like only limited ways to write it down.
yeah,
Just because the cell is like really constrained on what you
right.
can and cannot do. I can look at Kyberno's cell policies and see their syntax. Maybe probably that might help, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, Christine, if you don't know, we have a OPA survey up, and there is a section for gatekeeper there as well. We'd appreciate any input that you can give us that help us. Like,
Oh, sure. Oh, sorry. Where is it?
uh, I'll, I'll I'll share it again. I'm gonna put it into the uh, OPA Gatekeeper channel.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, we need Slack?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Thanks, thanks. Let me check.
In a second. I'm just trying to look for the link. Uh, okay. Yeah, I shared it on the OPA's Gatekeeper channel.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, yeah, you found. Yeah.
Oh, do you know when the survey closes?
So I was talking to Charlie, and he said mid-December because we opened up a week before KubeCon, and in KubeCon, like many people are traveling and stuff like that.
Oh,
So,
yeah, makes sense. Can you add
uh,
that to the message too? Just as closes at mid-December-ish time frame or something.
yeah,
Because I'm guessing people will say, "Oh, yeah, I'll do this later on." Forget.
Oh, do you want me to share this one with our customer? How can I say? Our
Anybody uses Gatekeeper, I think.
yeah, yeah.
okay, okay,
We
okay,
don't here, but yeah,
okay. I'll post it on our forum.
cool, awesome. Jay, do you want to post this on LinkedIn and then we can all whatever on LinkedIn?
Yeah. Yeah, let me see if I didn't already.
Oh, you did you already?
I don't know. I forgot. It's just
I know you've been busy with KubeCon stuff. So.
Because I remember I posted something. Uh,
Okay.
let me see. Uh,
Let me see. I'm looking at your profile. Oh no, you did. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no, yeah. You reposted the Opus one. Let me. I guess I looked. I didn't see this one before. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Cool. I did a like and repost.
Can you? I should have probably done OPA Gatekeeper also there, or like added a comment of my own. I didn't do that.
Ah, I see. Other than this, do we have any agenda? Looks like 3:21.
Yeah. Is today a good day to cut it? Then I'll start working on
Let's
that.
see. Oh, not Gatekeeper. I was looking at EOPA. And I was, Gatekeeper. 3:21. Yeah, yeah. Like, yeah, I think it's just the documentation stuff. And then we said we're not doing the customize. Cool. Yeah, let's move the milestones. And then I think the only question was that sell not sell the Rego versus the code thing. Do you
Yeah,
think we are good without the validation? I mean, I guess it will be the same behavior anyway.
yeah, yeah. I don't think there is an easy way to put that validation in.
Okay.
Yeah. I think we'll need to, since it's baked into the conversion code.
I mean, it sounds like it's kind of pointless anyway because it's like gets copied.
Yeah.
I think we need to document that behavior somewhere. Maybe add a note in the docs, saying like, hey, like you can do that, but then like which one is invalid? The Rego is invalid or the
So a high level rego field takes priority over code field.
I see. Okay. Yeah, maybe we can just document that the behavior. So at least like it's somewhere, then we remember the dates and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. I
I don't think
can.
anybody's going to do that, but just yeah. And then what happens if you have both in code, you have Rego and cell, and then you have Rego. So Rego gets copied, and then cell is still fine.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But in that case, cell engine takes priority. So Rego is even like Rego isn't even
Right.
evaluated.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm just like thinking about all the random edge cases. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Yeah. Let's just document it. Add like a maybe like a information sort of thing. Um,
Yeah.
in the
I'll
docs.
find a
Just
place.
send me. I'll approve right away. Yeah, just FYI. Doesn't sound like we are regressing any behavior. It's been like that anyway. So let's yeah, and then let's just cut it after that. We can cut
I
it
mean, it's
before.
a docs one, right? So it can be
Yeah,
like independent thing.
yeah. It doesn't have to be like before the release. Yeah, let's cut the release today.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Any
So,
unless you can think about any like hey we have discussion.
not really. I'm gonna like run Trivi and everything again just to see there are no CB
Okay,
events.
cool. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, good kill.
Um, Other than that, I think we are fine. We didn't see any issues being raised for RC, so there was
Oh,
this only this one like code field thing. I'm gonna test it again to make sure
okay, sounds
everything
good.
is
Yeah.
all.
Yeah, we already did the two RCs, so I think
One,
that's
we did one, right?
no, we do two. We RC zero and then one.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I by one I meant like we are on RC one.
No, no, yeah, we did two RCs total, but
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah. Two RCs. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Um, oh, and then I marked on the RCs as pre-release in GitHub, in the releases, just so we don't show that the RCs as
Mm.
like the main release. Um, cool. Yeah. So let's cut it. Yeah. I think we waited long enough.
Okay, cool. So cut release, create issues from KubeCon,
Yeah.
and document, like for city document, document the rego field behavior basically.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, cool. Sounds good.
Cool. And then maybe next call, let's discuss any 322 items. I know we already discussed this, but
Yeah, but now like there are way too many in
yeah,
320.
now there are way too many. So let's just like remove stuff from here. Yeah, maybe you can take a look at it, do like a quick pass, and then we can talk about it on the next call.
Okay.
Because yeah, I think we just end up doing the same thing. Like we're just way too many stuff, and then let's just
Yeah, yeah,
focus
yeah,
on things that we are actually like want to do it ourselves. I think those are the things that we talked about, say like the WAP GA readiness, and then like the I think the stuff we talked about basically. I think
yeah,
the some of the CRD graduations and whatnot. So let's just those are I think the top priority, and then I'm sure people are gonna want random stuff, and then we'll like be more agile if they come in, and then we can say okay,
yeah,
we're going to do it. Say like I think all as soon as all policies are loaded, we say we're not going to do it, so let's just kick it off. Yeah,
yeah,
keep it more like slim instead of like having everything and then just keep moving between releases.
yeah, yeah. Sounds good. So, but the next gatekeeper meeting will be in 2 weeks. Oh no, it will be next week. Okay, yeah. Sorry, Thursday is holiday. Wednesday is not.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, will be in yeah next week, I think.
Let me put it in the note for next week then for milestone.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Do a quick pass though, just like see what have we talked about basically between us, and then add those ones and anything else that's like low hanging fruit that you think that's like somebody is gonna work on it, or like there is some work, and then just move stuff that's more work, and then we're not committed out of it completely. If you think that some of them are like legit, then we might do it later. Just to add the label triaged. But I am not a huge fan of this like moving from every single milestone because it's just not attainable yet.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. Uh, yeah, I'm just writing my action items.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's it.
Cool. We can give the time back then. Did
Yep.
you have any other topics you want to chat?
Not really.
Cool. Right. Yeah. I'm glad you went to KubeCon and hopefully you had fun there.
Yeah, I did. I wanna go to the next one as well. I'm gonna think about it.
Cool.
Okay.
Please do. Cool. Thanks, Jay.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye.